Hi, today we are going to learn about colors. What are colors? What is a color wheel? What are the uses of color wheel and how it will help us to find out what are the color combination. It's a very useful tool to find out what are the color combinations. You all have a doubt, right? What are the color combinations? Which colors goes well with which colors? Yes. So by using color wheel, we will know which color goes well with which color. What are the color combinations? That's how the color wheels help us. So let us know what are colors. Okay. So the colors mainly divided into three types. The one is primary colors, secondary colors and tertiary colors. Yeah, I think you all know what are primary and secondary color till now. We will know what are tertiary colors today. Before that, I have already prepared a primary and secondary color wheels here. These are primary colors and these are secondary colors, right? Primary colors are red, blue and yellow. Secondary colors are purple, green and orange. By combination of two primary colors, a secondary color is formed. For example, red and blue. If you mix red and blue, it makes a purple. By mixing blue and yellow, it makes a green color. By mixing red and yellow, you will get an orange color. That's how secondary colors are formed. Primary colors are very basic colors. Very basic colors. It cannot formed by any colors. Okay, these are very basic colors. It cannot formed by any colors. And secondary and tertiary colors are formed using mixing of primary colors. See, again I'm going to repeat. By mixing two primary colors, we get a secondary color. Red and blue, we get purple. Blue and yellow, we get green. Red and yellow, we get orange. That's how secondary colors are formed. Okay, now let us see how tertiary colors are formed. Before I start, I'm going to show you the color wheel, the proper color. That's how a color wheel looks with primary, tertiary and secondary colors. Okay, I think you all know this color wheel because you will be having in the end of your drawing books. Lots of drawing books are mentioned with these color wheels. Okay, today we will learn what is the uses of this color wheel. Let us see what are the uses of this color wheel. Before we go to what are the uses, you have to know how to form this color wheel. Okay, how to form this color wheel. See, I have already made a circle here. In the circle, I'm gonna make an place shape like this, and I'm gonna divide this circle into 4 equal halves. I have divided this circle into 4 equal halves. Now what you have to do, you have got this place shape. Start from the above. You have to make a circle here. Use any coin. Okay, I have used 1 rupee coin to make these circles. You can use that coins and make those circles like this. Again, same way you have to make 2 circles here, just beside the lines. Like this. Again, same here. Same on the opposite direction. After that, what you have to do, you have space here, right? You have to do one more circle in every space here. And every empty space, you have to make this circles. That's how you will form a color wheel. Is it very easy? Simple. First, you have to make a big circle and you have to make a plus shape in it. In that plus shape, you have to make 2 circles near the plus shape. One on the top, bottom, 2 on the top, bottom, and 2 more on the both sides. After that, the empty space you have to fill with the other circles. So you will be getting 12 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 colors. Just like a watch. Okay, it is just like a watch, but numbers are placed in a different form. In a watch you will getting 12 here, right? But we won't get any circle in the middle. It starts from the side. It's called 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, just like a watch. This is how the circles are formed in color wheel. Did you all get it? Very good. Now let us see. I've already mentioned here the names of the colors. I will explain them. Okay, let us start with the primary colors. To make this tertiary colors, I am using poster colors. You need only 3 colors from that: red, blue and yellow. Only with these 3 colors we will make 12 colors now. Okay, and you need a palette. If you don't have a palette, okay, if you have an egg tray, you can use an egg tray. If you have an ice tray, you can use an ice tray. Okay, this is an ice tray, I am using it. If you don't have a palette, you can use an ice tray also. If you have a palette, well, you can go for the palette. And some water to wash the brush and a round brush. These are the required materials. And a cloth to wipe your brush. It is very important. Always wipe the brush after you use. After you use a one single color, immediately you have to wipe the brush. And how you will wipe the brush? You don't squeeze a brush like this. Just make the flat and you have to do like this. This is how you wipe the brush. Now let us continue. I'm gonna start with red color. Before you open the color, just shake the color, okay? Shake the color like that. Now I'm checking this. I'm not directly applying this color on the paper. Never apply color directly on paper, okay? You have to apply the color first in the palette, okay? Like this. Take color how much you need it, like that. Then immediately I'm gonna wash the brush. I'm gonna wash the brush and I'm gonna clean the brush. That is how you have to clean the brush, okay? Now I'm gonna take blue color. I have taken a blue color and keeping it in my palette. And close the caps immediately after you use, okay? I'm washing the brush again. I'm taking the yellow color. I've taken all the 3 colors are required. Now let us start making the color wheel. Now the first primary colors. I'm gonna color. The first primary color, it is red. See how I'm handling the brush. Okay, just using the tip of the brush I'm coloring it. I'm not putting any pressure on the brush. That's our first primary color. I have wrote P here. P means primary color, red. Now I'm going to wash the brush again and wipe it with the cloth. Now I'm going to use blue color. Again the primary color blue. See, just using the tip of the brush. I'm not putting anything pressure on it. That's blue color. Wash the brush immediately. Next, the third primary color, yellow. See, I have written it here, P yellow. This is how the primary color. These are our primary colors. Now let us see what are the secondary colors. By mixing red and blue, we'll get a violet color. Okay, we'll get an violet color. I have written here. S means secondary color, violet color. By mixing, I'll show you how to mix that. I'm checking red here, putting a little bit of red. Now always color, well, you have to mix colors in the palette, not on the paper. Okay, see here how I'm mixing the color. I'm taking blue and mixing it with the red. Always mix colors in the palette, not on the paper. Now I've got violet color, little bit red in this. It became little dark. It's okay. Our violet color. I will show you the light version of it. See the light version. I'm putting just a simple dark. Violet color. Okay, it will be very dark. It's okay. Now by mixing red and yellow, we'll get an orange color. See, I'm mixing in the palette. Yellow, I'm checking the yellow and mixing it with red. Do not mix colors on the paper. You have to use palette for mixing. Now I got an orange color. Secondary color, orange. Orange. Now I'm gonna mix blue and yellow. I'll get an green color, secondary color. So mixed. I've taken little blue here from here. I have mixed it in yellow. Now I've got green color. green color. Now see, the remaining all the empty circles are tertiary colors. Okay, these are all tertiary colors. What are they? If you mix this one primary color and one secondary color, you will get tertiary colors. For example, red is a primary color, orange is a secondary color. By mixing these two, we'll get red orange. And orange is secondary color, yellow is a primary color. By mixing these two, we'll get yellow orange. And yellow primary color and green secondary color. By mixing these two, we'll get yellow green. That's how tertiary colors are formed. Now let us see how they all we have to mix them. Now let us start with red and violet. Red and violet. By mixing red and violet, what we'll get, we will see. Okay, I've already got here violet color. I'm gonna mix red in that. I have mixed red in that. So I'll get reddish violet. It's a kind of like, if you call in a simple terms, this is purple, little closer to blue. This is violet, this is little closer to red. That is how it is. Okay, it will be this, both the colors will be very dark. And if you wanna see the lightest part of it, I will show you the light part. See the red tone, can you see here? Red tone, see here, red tone. That is how reddish violet looks, purple. Okay, and this will be blue tone. If I show you that, see here, that is blue tone. Now let us see what are the next colors. Now if I mix violet and blue, we'll get bluish violet. I will show you how to get that. So for that, first I have to mix red here, I'm mixing red and blue again to make violet color. So I've got violet color. Now in that I will mix little blue again. I have got the violet color here. I'm using blue, I'm adding blue color in that. We'll get bluish violet. That's there will be little difference in blue and this one. You have to be careful. Okay, all the color mixing depends on the majority of the color you are using. Okay, how much quantity you are taking the colors. Now let us see, if we mix blue and green, what happens. I've already got green here. I'm adding blue in that. What we got? We got bluish green. We got bluish green. I have already written here. We got bluish green. Okay, by adding primary and secondary color. Blue is a primary color, green is a secondary color. By adding these two colors, we got bluish green. I'm gonna wash the brush. Now I will add green and yellow. I've got green here. I'm gonna mix yellow in that. I'm taking little yellow now and adding this in the green. This is how we will get yellowish green. Okay, it looks like little light green, but this is yellowish green. And the next color, by mixing yellow and orange, we'll get yellow orange. Yellow orange. After applying every color, I'm immediately washing the brush and cleaning it. Okay, without that your colors will get muddy. The last one is red and orange. We will get reddish orange. I'm mixing the color. See here, red and orange. I've mixed yellow, red together. Reddish orange. This is how you will form a color wheel. Okay, you all get it how to form a color wheel? By mixing one primary color and secondary color, we will get an tertiary color. Okay, totally in a color wheel we will be having 12 colors. How we will form a color wheel? I have showed in the starting of the video. Just make a plus shape and make 2 circles near the plus shape. That is how you form a color wheel. Okay, and that is how you will get a tertiary colors. Primary colors, by mixing primary colors you'll get secondary color. By mixing primary and secondary colors we get tertiary colors. Okay, this is how a color wheel looks. Now let us see what I have told you in the beginning of the video, that today we are going to learn the color combinations. What are the colors? We have to see which will go well together, means nice color combinations. Now how do we know what are the color combinations? Here it comes. Okay, see, I have using a straw here and I have cut it into small shape and have put an toothpick inside it. A toothpick, I have stuck it and make a hole in the center, exactly in the center. We had made a plus shape. Just in the center I'm making a hole here. In the center I've made a hole here, and using an eraser I have turning this paper down. I'm using an eraser to put this here like this. Okay, can you see it's look like a watch, right? Something similar to the watch. Now see, if I turn this like this, it is playing, it is showing two colors at the end of the straw. Yeah, now if I turn it again, it is again showing two colors in the end. These are the best color combinations you can learn. Okay, for example, this orange and blue primary and second orange secondary color are the best color combinations. And if you want to learn, see, if I turn this, blue violet and yellow orange are the best combinations, which will complicate the colors. Blue violet and yellow orange will complicate each other. You know the meaning of complication, right? Complementary colors. Sorry, that's complication, it's complementary. These are the complementary colors you can find in color wheel. And always when you're doing a color, whatever you're coloring with poster colors, you have a color wheel with you. It will help in color combinations. If I turn again here somewhere here, if I turn it like this, see here, the best complementary color for violet is yellow primary color. Now if I turn it to the red, the best complementary color for red primary color is green secondary color. These are the color combinations you can use, you can know with use of color wheel, or else you won't be able to find what are the color combinations. These are the color combinations. For example, red is a complementary color for green. That's how you will use it. And let us see, it's orange, blue and red violet. This is how red violet color combination for green yellow. Okay children, that's for the class today. Did you all understand how to make a color wheel and what are the uses of the color wheel? Good. I hope you all practice this. Thank you.